Game Changers! It's good to be back. I know! Maraming magagalit sa akin dahil kakaunti na nga kayo nanonood. Tumigil pa rin ako. But you know, I need to find a job, okay? Para masustentuhan ko tong kalokohang pinagagawa ko sa YouTube dahil hindi ako sikat. Bago tayo tumingin sa memes, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo that I am fat. I am fat, okay? Hindi kita dyan sa camera, sa screen, pero I'm so fat right now. Nasobrahan sa kain dahil, you know, yung trabaho pang madaling araw. Ay ako magdahilan, but I'm gonna do another gym video. Video like 4 months. Titinan natin kung mauubusan ulit tayo ng fat. What am I saying? Nalibutan ko na yata kung paano maging content creator eh. I'm gonna show a workout video that will be uploaded on December. And I'm already starting it like last week. Pinakita ko yung aking malaking katawan. You can see like this. Look at that. Huh. It's gonna be uploaded on December kung sumasabay pa rin kayo sa akin. And yung kakaunting natitira dyan sa Discord group, narinig ko gusto nila akong maglaro ng like HOK, kung ano-ano pang laro na hindi ko alam. I'm probably gonna try Roblox, okay? Probably gonna try Roblox para, you know, it looks interesting to me, but ang pagkakarinig ko maraming bata doon, so you know, makakahatak tayo ng mga bata. Okay. Para manood sa sumikat tayo. Anyways, nalimutan ko na kung paano magsalita, kung paano maging content creator. Let's go to the memes for now. Look at the GSPH group na naiwan ko. I mean, wala na nag-share ng memes na. Wait. Oh! I need to see that. Okay, I need to see that. I'm gonna full screen para hindi nyo makita. Bawal sa inyo to eh.
いい写真。あ、だったら。
Oh! Oh! Oh, it's white! Oh my god, it's white! Why am I smiling? I'm like some kind of perverted son of a...
やばいやばいやばい。
Kung gusto nyo makita, join lang kayo dito sa group. You know, subscribe to my channel. Makikita nyo tong video to kasi you know, it's kind of funny. Kind of good. I'm gonna replay it. So si Kuya Uldig ang head dito. Game Changers. I'm sorry JP, but I don't think I'll be playing League of Legends. It's just that I'm tired playing League of Legends. I'm not good at it. I'm already, you know, more than half the years of 30 plus people.
Bruh.
But I will play some random games. Very random. Bahala na lang kung tripan mo, panoorin mo. Pero pag hindi mo trip, it's okay. Just leave a like and just, you know, watch it for 30 seconds kung may ads.
Wait, what?
Lak, balik ka na. Ikaw na naman. Ano to? I've grown up in watching VTuber, you know? Because she graduated. I don't watch VTubers anymore, okay? Except that indie girl, you know.
Oh, no.
But she doesn't stream often. Why am I updated in this? Why am I telling you this? It's not funny. It's not funny. Pinatukan.exe. Well, Jarel, as at old member, look at this. Your content is not available at the moment. May sinaktan na bata dyan, you know. Napakasama mong tao. Hala na, hulog. Okay, ito. Mukhang hindi ito pan content. Tingnan natin. Okay. It's good. Kaya siya old member. He knows how to put videos of people getting hurt without getting copy strike. Or maybe ban. Admin, may I post? Thank you. Okay, just share your games, okay? But I will not review it. Basta i-share nyo dito, baka makita ng iba. Lagi na lang pag may orange cut. So I think this girl is like, you know, join as a content creator. But let's see if your post is funny. I mean, it's good, you know. It's not me. Okay. Mahirap pang patawanin. Video game does not cause violence, lag does. It's not lag that cause violence. I don't think it's as an ML player, pro ML player. Maybe pag nag-HOK din ako. It's bobong kakampi that causes violence. Oh my God. Tatlo silang ADC. Hindi pala marksman niya pala doon. Ang sakit sa ulo. I don't wanna play those games anymore, man. I hate them. That is for the GSPH group post. Kung gusto nyo mag-share ng mga funny memes at post on, o kaya mga laro nyo, just go to our group, join it, and share what you can. Sigurado i-approve ni Therapin yan, and me. And I will review it when I have time. Mga kahulyo aso. I have time. Let's go to Facebook Reels. My favorite pastime bilang taong nasa 30 plus. Actually, malapit na akong lumagpas sa 30.
Wait, what?
Techniques banned in the UFC. Why is this? Does this even work in real life? Like, paano kung makikipag-gulpihan ka or, you know, nasa isang sulok ka at napagdiskitahan ka? Will this work? Really? Oh my God, this guy must be like, you know, one of the best fighter in the world, man. Okay, so, magsusugod ka, kailangan, yung sugod mo, may kasamang sigaw, pero hindi mo siya tatamaan. I might doing this. Oh, kinukuha niya yung hangin, oh, yun, Tatlo na silang naglolokohan. Kanina, dalawa lang sila eh. Ngayon, may isa pa silang na-recruit sa kalokohan nila.
Huh?
What some people do. But you know, I just copy this guy, you know? Okay, I'm just copying. Look. I mean, it's effective. Natakot to itong naka-red sa kalokohan niyang ginagawa. Just look at it. Natatakot siya sa kalokohan. Atras! Oh. Teka lang. Teka lang. Another martial arts master. Oh, this guy is a black belt. Really?
Pika!
Oh! Walk it off, okay? Walk it off. Kuwari hindi ka nasaktan. Don't make that face, man. I don't understand a thing he says. But you know.
Pika!
He is definitely saying, sakit! The mad world of bullshit. The bullshit. Why? What? I can't. They gotta be trolling, man. I don't even want to play this because, you know, I'll get copyright or not child-friendly content from this one. I'm just gonna cut it when it's time to change Aikido schools.
Oh, really?
Maybe we're gonna see some proper martial arts right now. I do hope. My hope is gone, man. Nakahawak na sa ulo niya. Anong kalokohan na naman itong ginagawa natin? I can't with this. Please, be a proper martial arts. Oh, just please. Just by staring, he can take them down. If I can take people down just by staring at them, then I think it's probably time to learn Aikido. And the other technique, with the fingers, bullshido. The first one is what baliwis. Okay, enough for today. Let's go to the outro. That's it for today, Game Changers. If you like this video, you can like, and then you can also subscribe and click the bell button so that I will get famous or something. Before I end this video, I just want to tell my viewers out there that am I back on creating content? Just semi. So don't expect I will upload weekly. But if there is something interesting, I will create a content on it. I'll play some games, and the games a lot of times will not show me, okay? I am not the focus on my gaming content, my skills are. I don't have anything to say anymore. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time, Game Changers.